Hello guys, welcome to my channel N-Easy1. So in this video I want to talk about the Frog Farm token withdrawal update. So for those who found this token, you can now go ahead and withdraw your token to their wallet now. So as you know that the Frog Farm Airdrop is a wallet which they host their airdrop. So for those who found this airdrop, so they were given the Frog Farm token which you can now withdraw now. So in order for us to get started, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel N-Easy1, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So as you can see, this is the interface of the Frog Farm Airdrop bot. You can see where it says the crypto bot, the wallet section, the Lotto, Launchpad, Exchange, and VIP. So these are things which are under the Frog Farm wallet. So this is their wallet whereby you can go ahead and do some exchanges, like exchange your token. So but for now, those particular sites are not available for now. The only thing which is available is that of the crypto bot and the wallet section, which is available now. So for us to go ahead and withdraw our token, all you need to do is go to the wallet section. So click on the wallet section. After you click on the wallet section, you can see this is the interface of it. So you can see my Frog Farm token. I was giving about 4,005 something. So I don't know about you, how much you were giving. So this is the amount which I received, the Frog Farm token. So you can go ahead and withdraw it now, but before you can withdraw it, you need a gas fee. So you need to hold some gas fee, some USDT in your wallet section in order for you to withdraw your token. So let's go ahead to their community group to see the updates which they just posted. So this particular update was made yesterday, that is February 4. So the Frog withdrawal, as you can see this is the news you have been waiting for. Starting tomorrow, that is today, you'll be able to withdraw your tokens directly from your wallet. But withdrawal will be available to all users in our ecosystem, that is within those who farm this Frog Farm token. So it's within their wallet. So a blockchain fee applies, so make sure you have some USDT ready to convert it. Are you ready for tomorrow? You can see that they say we require some gas fee, that is some USDT, in order for us to be able to withdraw our token. So without the gas fee, you can't be able to withdraw your token. But for now, we don't know the exact price, like the listing price for this particular token. So let's wait and see the actual price for this particular token. So if you click on where it says withdraw, so you can see that you can only withdraw some USDT from this particular website, from this particular bot. So we don't know yet. Now we can only, maybe they are going to tell us to bridge from Frog token to USDT, or from USDT to Ethereum, or that. So we don't know for now. So let's wait for them to open the withdrawal app so that we can be able to withdraw our token. But remember, they say a gas fee will be applied, but let's wait and see. So now I've come to the end of this video. So if you find this video helpful, what I need from you guys is to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel N-Easy1, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. And not only that, there are also potential airdrops which I'm farming also. So if you want to get access to those particular airdrop, the link to those airdrop will be in the description of my video. So most of the airdrops are Telegram airdrops and non-Telegram airdrops. So don't waste much of your time. So rush now and go ahead and start farming this airdrop right now. So peace out.